What happens if you use shaving cream in your toilet? You probably never thought that shaving cream could do more than just help you shave. Well, you might be surprised to learn that shaving cream serves more purposes than just facilitating a smooth shave. It can be a versatile cleaning tool that proves handy in various areas of your home, from the kitchen to the bathroom. Once you discover its usefulness, you might even consider keeping an extra can in your kitchen cabinet. So, join us as we explore 15 surprising shaving cream tips that no one ever told you. Watch till the end so you don't miss the most important one. Number 15. Shaving cream to remove dead skin on feet. Nobody wants to deal with dry, crusty feet that are not only unsightly but uncomfortable as well. Using shaving cream to remove dead skin from your feet is an easy and effective method. To effectively use shaving cream to remove dead skin from your feet, gather your supplies, including a can of shaving cream, warm water, a pumice stone or foot file, and a towel. Start by soaking your feet in warm water for 10-15 minutes to soften the dead skin. Apply a generous amount of shaving cream to your wet feet, ensuring you cover the areas with dead skin. Gently exfoliate by using a pumice stone or foot file in a circular motion, being cautious not to be too aggressive. Finally, rinse your feet with warm water to remove the shaving cream and exfoliated skin. Then pat them dry with a towel. This process helps maintain smooth and healthy-looking feet. Number 14. Clean your shower doors. Shaving cream can quickly clear your shower door of foamy splatters if you tend to get overzealous with the soap. Plop down some shaving cream, give it a quick wipe, and then rinse away the grime. Plus, if you shave in the shower, you probably already have it handy. Number 13. Use shaving cream to clean jewelry. The combination of soap, moisturizers, and other protective ingredients make shaving cream a surprisingly good cleaner for delicate items. You can use it to clean your jewelry and other delicate items by covering them in shaving cream, rubbing it in with your fingers, and then wiping it clean with a soft cloth. Number 12. DIY hair mousse. If you ever find yourself out of hair mousse but have some shaving cream lying around, it could prove to be a reliable substitute. Lather up a small amount in your hand and scrunch into hair as you would your mousse. It will smell amazing too. Number 11. Sunburn Relief. For minor sunburns with no blisters, you can use shaving cream for a bit of relief from the pain. Try this suggestion from Frugal Village reader Jen. I use shaving cream foam on sunburns. Yes, it is a little messy and funny looking. I apply it to the burn as if I was going to shave that area, then I let it sit. I leave it on until it has soaked in, then I wipe it off using cool water. Don't ask me how, but it pulls the heat out and prevents blistering. I have used this several times on myself and my daughter, as we burn easily. Number 10. Clean your mirror and prevent fogging. Tired of getting foggy mirrors after a shower? Shaving foam can prevent your mirrors from misting. Not only that, but it cleans your mirrors and gives a streak-free finish. Simply lather some shaving foam on your mirrors, leave for a minute, and then wipe down with a clean, dry towel. Number 9. Shaving cream on bathtubs. To remove stains on your bathtub and make them look as good as new, put enough amount of shaving cream on your broom and scrub all over your tub. Rinse it all out and you'll have a clean and shiny bathtub again. Number 8. Shaving cream. On-air vent covers. Vent covers can gather large amounts of dirt, dust, and grime, which is why it is important to make them part of your regular cleaning routine. Use shaving foam to cover the slats and let the cream expand. Take a toothbrush and work the foam into the dirt to lift sticky residue before giving it a rinse. Dry the cover off before returning it to the vent. Number 7. Shaving cream. On mattresses. Sprucing up your mattress is easily done with shaving foam. Just spray the cream liberally over the surface and work it into the material using a damp sponge. This is the best alternative to baking soda, as it evaporates quickly with no vacuuming required. Number 6. Use shaving cream to clean stainless steel. Use shaving cream to clean stainless steel appliances and faucets by coating them with a thin layer of shaving cream and wiping the area dry. Then buff the surface with a clean microfiber cloth until it's clean and shiny. It's one of the best ways to clean stainless steel. Number 5. Remove paint from your hands. Whether you're repainting your living room or working on your next masterpiece, keeping your hands pristine probably isn't at the forefront of your agenda. Luckily, shaving cream can help your hands no longer resemble a Jackson Pollock work after you get done painting. Try rubbing shaving cream on the paint spots and watch as it cleans your skin like magic. Follow this by rinsing off with water, and you'll be ready for your hand modeling gig in no time. Number 4. Shaving cream on sink. The magical shaving cream can also make your entire sink nice and clean. Just grab a microfiber towel and rub the sink with shaving cream. After rubbing the sink, rinse it just like you would when cleaning your bathtub with the broom. It is super satisfying to see how shaving foam cleans it all up. Number 3, shaving cream on doors. Yes, you can easily rub the door with a microfiber towel using shaving foam, which will do all the magic. Shaving cream will also clean up all the dirt and your children's handprints after eating a bunch of chocolate. I tested this trick on my garage door since it is the one that gets so much dirt and grease. Number 2, clean carpet stains. In a pinch, shaving cream can pick up stains from your carpet surprisingly well. Let a 1-inch thick layer sit on the stain for about 20 minutes, and then use a warm, damp rag to pick up as much foam as you can. Next, scrub away at the carpet until the stain fades away. While you'll still probably want to call in a local carpet cleaner for bigger stains, this trick can help you when a forkful of spaghetti goes flying. Number 1, shaving cream in your toilet. I bet you haven't thought about cleaning your toilet directly with shaving cream. You will be surprised how it works. Put some shaving cream on your toilet brush and clean it up. When you are done with it, before putting the toilet brush back into its holder, put a little extra shaving cream on it. The alcohol from the shaving cream will help to kill the bacteria. The next time you use it, you will notice that it smells incredible. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. And don't forget to watch more of our popular videos as well. Until the next video, goodbye.